is your First Alert 5 weather with Mike Daniels.
Thanks for watching News 5 at 6. We have got cloudy skies out there right now from Pulpit Rock to Garden Ranch all the way back to Pine Creek. And with that north wind, it feels like 28 degrees. Pueblo breezy and chilly. 44 is your current temperature under those dry skies. All right, here is your big weather story. Cold front blasted through here earlier. Tomorrow it's down to the south of us. More energy coming our way from the southwest. We'll have an upslope flow at the surface, so all the elements coming together for a little bit of snow. It's not going to be a big storm by any means, but it is really going to be cold around here tomorrow. Afternoon highs almost 30 degrees colder than what we had today. I think the commute tomorrow morning is going to be okay across Colorado Springs, Pueblo, all the way up into the Monument area. But watch what happens. Snow pushes off the Continental Divide and eventually across the I-25 corridor by about mid to late morning tomorrow morning. We'll have snowflakes tomorrow afternoon as well. Getting a break around 5, 6 o'clock tomorrow. It is going to be short-lived, though, as that energy continues to lift off to the east. We're going to see more snow early Friday morning. Still could see some lingering flurries after the AM commute across parts of El Paso County. Then that storm lifts out by late morning into the afternoon. Here's how much snow you can expect. Anywhere from a trace to 2 is going to be real common across El Paso County. If conditions set up right, you could possibly land maybe 3 inches of snow across the Monument area. A trace to 1, maybe 3 across parts of Woodland Park, so you can see not a big deal by any means. Pueblo, eastern Fremont County, I've got you in for a trace to 2 inches of snow. The Wet Mountains, Wet Mountain Valley, anywhere from 2 to 4 in Colorado City, a little more in Rye as you continue up the hill. Places like San Isabel could get 3 to 6 inches of snow. Across the southern foothills, Walsenburg, Aguilar into Trinidad, 2 to 4, and places like La Vida into Cuchara, anywhere from 4 to 8 inches of snow possible by midday on Friday. The far eastern plains by Friday morning. Friday afternoon, you could see a trace to 2 across the I-50 or Highway 50 corridor from Lamar back into La Junta. Prime target is going to be the Central Mountains, the La Garritas into the San Juans. Up to 2 feet of snow possible across those areas by early Friday morning. If you have plans to travel westbound over the Continental Divide, allow a lot of extra travel time between now and early Friday morning. Ahead of that front, we got a push of mild air. Pueblo, despite the clouds, 61 today. Colorado Springs, we topped out at 57 degrees earlier this afternoon. Outside right now, a far cry from those numbers. We're in the 30s and 40s across most parts of southeastern Colorado. Here's how cold we get tonight. 20s up and down the I-25 corridor. A little better from Canyon City into Westcliff. Afternoon highs tomorrow much colder. You'll need to bundle up once again. 30s the best we can do for afternoon highs, and just a light breeze from time to time. It'll be out of the east anywhere from 10 to 15 miles per hour. In Colorado Springs, we're going with a 2 on the storm impact scale. Again, I don't look for any problems early tomorrow morning for the commute, but by afternoon into the evening, some roads could become slick. Leftover flurry early Friday morning. Good looking weekend. Then we take delivery of still another storm system late Monday into Tuesday. That one will have more wind. Too early to tell you just how much snow, but it's a travel week next week with Thanksgiving, so we'll stay on top of that. Certainly keep everybody posted. In Pueblo, flurries tomorrow, a trace to 2 inches possible by Friday morning. Roads could become slick late tomorrow into Friday morning. Much better over the weekend with a strong warming trend. Then a new storm late Monday into Tuesday. It will be cold for that courthouse lighting ceremony Tuesday evening. Take some hot chocolate for that. Canyon City, hang tough tomorrow. It gets a little better by Friday afternoon, then a lot better over the weekend. The storm track delivers another fast-moving system late Monday into Tuesday with flakes and shakes. It's going to get cold again. Woodland Park, tomorrow you get a little shot of snow. Pretty weak by Teller County standards. Some roads could become slick, though, so allow extra travel time into Friday morning. Then you take another hit Monday into Tuesday. Time for traffic here on News 5. A look at drive times. It is slow between Denver and Colorado Springs right now, but a fast track between Colorado Springs and Pueblo southbound on I-25. We've got some problems out there. A crash to make you aware of in Colorado Springs, I-25 southbound. Secondary accidents at Academy Boulevard. Just cleaning up a crash right now. I-25 southbound at Woodman Road. It is really slow across parts of the city. Of course, you've got all that construction right now on Garden of the Gods. Current speed only 7 miles per hour.